How to check Stripe system status for outages. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a tutorial for that. You can check the system status and outages for Stripe using the official status page. So let's head over and find out how to do so. So for that, what we can do is we can just go over to the real-time status page. So go over and search for Stripe status page, hit enter, and here we'll be finding Stripe. status.stripe.com. You can click on that link available. That should directly open up this page. This page right here will show us the dashboard status, payment processing, and APIs, webhooks, checkout and billing services, and any ongoing incidents or maintenance. And here all the systems are currently optional. You can see it's 99.99% right now, and user report its monitoring sites also show no current problem with Stripe services for now. You can just go and check out this page. And Stripe occasionally only has some small issues such as minor service outage or partial degraded service that also just not a long day ago. So these incidents were resolved very quickly. You can subscribe in the status page to receive the email, SMS, or RSS whenever Stripe reports an outage or maintenance. But this is how you should be able to check the status for outages very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.